Best Buy. Okay, and if you want complete article on that, okay, then you just need to follow this article. I am just going to give the link of this article in the description of this video. Okay, you just need to click on that link and you will just go to this website where you will find the complete procedure to download and install your Trend Micro from the URL www.trendmicro.com/bestbuy. And note it down that it is just for Best Buy users, means who purchased their Trend Micro from the Best Buy store. Okay, and on this page you will find with the download procedure for the Windows computer as well as for iOS and Android, and for the Mac computer, as well as you will get the information about all the products features. Okay, and except it, you will find the minimum system requirement, like if you have a Mac OS, then what requirement you will need here in this section. You can see hardware, display, like this. Okay, so if you want to see the minimum system requirement, then you can just go ahead and check it, okay, on the same page. Okay, for the iOS, for the Android OS, for the Windows operating system, for all the devices. Okay, and this page also consists most of the things, okay, about that. And now moving to the step-by-step process which I supposed to tell you in the video. Okay, so for this you just need to open a web browser in your computer and open a web browser. Okay, first of all open a web browser in your computer, and then you need to type this URL in the URL box, that is www.trendmicro.com/bestbuy. Okay, now if you are using Google Chrome, then it will automatically download the program in your device. Okay, and if you are not using the Google Chrome, then it may show you some options in the bottom of the browser, like save or run. Okay, maybe there is another option of cancel. You don't need to click on the cancel, but you need to click on either save or run. Okay, and upon doing that, if you will click on save, the program will start downloading. If you will click on run, then what will happen after the download, it will automatically start the installation procedure. Okay, that's the difference in these two buttons, save and run. Okay, so in case you have an specific device like Chromebook or any other, then you can download your program from the same page, that is www.trendmicro.com/bestbuy. But what you need to do, just means if it is downloading automatically, just cancel it and see on the page. If you will see on the page, then you will find some of the things. Okay, like there will be icons for all kind of downloads. Okay, as I told you already that this page is good to download Trend Micro for all kind of devices like Chromebooks, Windows, Mac, Android OS and iOS, excepted Windows 10 with S mode. Okay, so here if download is starting, I'm just going to cancel it. Okay, and I will show you what is on the page. Okay, here you can see Trend Micro Internet Security for Windows, the first one. Can you see that? Okay, you can see the download button for that, the icon for that, and after that Trend Micro Internet Security for Mac and the download button for that. Okay, and then Trend Micro Mobile Security for iPhone and iPad and the download button for that, and then Trend Micro Mobile Security for Android and the download button for that. Okay, like that, Windows 10 in S mode, Trend Micro Security for that. Okay, you can see that. Trend Micro Security for Chromebooks is the last one, and the download button is just downside. Okay, and you can see on this page you can also see the system requirements for all of these. Okay, like that. So this, I believe that this is it. You can download your Trend Micro Best Buy. Okay, from this page for any of your devices. Okay, and in case you haven't purchased your Trend Micro from the Best Buy store, then that is a topic for another, how to do the installation videos, okay, from the technical support. So just subscribe our channel to see such videos, and if you want to see such videos, just go to our channel and see what you are searching for, and definitely you will find it. So have a great day. Bye bye.